Before the Lok Adalat, he came for one settlement. He said he will pay the amount. He had issued a check for 1,95,000. There is a specific order. If this check is also honored, they have to pay the double the amount. That's the order of the Lok Adalat. Man, 17 years old man with all the ailments.
He was.
He's suffering and fighting this case for 15 years, Mela.
What is this? You have some decorum of the court, or you think you are standing on some street?
Sorry. The check was given in Adalat. That check bounced, Mela. That's why I filed a recall order. And my lordship, this court has passed an NBW warrant. After warrant also, he came forward with a check amount.
You are bound by the Lok Adalat order. You have participated. You were represented. You agreed. You paid part payment. You have slept over and without bothering for the consequences of a court, you think you can do whatever you want.
Not like that, Mal.
After warrant is issued, you come running and hand over. You think you can do anything?
No, my lord. Yesterday I was not there. I had been to hospital. And, this matter, it was settled for 3,50,000, my lord. Out of that, 1,55,000 was paid and 1,95,000 check was issued. That check has been due to illness of the petitioner. That was could not be honored. And before the Court, we have already paid that dishonored check amount also. 1,95,000 we have already paid.
How much you have paid?
1,95,000. Whatever the check dishonored amount.
Check amount.
1,90,000.
The order is for double the amount in the Adalat.
1,95,000.
The check which was issued in the Adalat, trial court 4 years he dragged down, sessions court dragged down. Here petitioners filed before the Lok Adalat, he came for one settlement. He said he will pay the amount. He had issued a check for 1,95,000. There is a specific order. If this check is also honored, they have to pay the double the amount. That's the order of the Lok Adalat. Let me see the order. Further,
the petitioner has borrowed only 1 lakh
is not
rupees
honored. The award amount may be passed with double the amount of the. He had when the warrant was issued by this court, he comes with the check amount.
No, he was
15
totally
years
bedridden.
old man. 17 years old man with all the ailments.
He was.
He's suffering and fighting this case for 15 years, Mela.
In fact, he has borrowed 1 lakh, my lord. But check was filled for 3,50,000 and it was presented 3,40,000. However, he has paid
All those
check
defense
amount.
were taken before trial court. Everything
All
was
check
taken
amount
up.
has been paid.
The final order is the Adalat order. Before Adalat, a check was given that is not honored.
Now he don't have anything in his hand. He has lost everything.
The awards.
Almost all is insolvent.
order.
He is not able to pay.
27th.
What is this? You have some decorum of the court, or you think you are standing on some street?
Sorry.
This is not expected from counsels who are experienced.
Sorry.
You're not standing in the street.
I'm not sorry.
You argue the matter and you reply.
Yes.
Yes, argue the matter.
My lord, the matter was settled for.
Show me the award of that Lok Adalat.
Yes, my lord. It's there, but after that, check was issued for 1,95,000.
Please show me the Lok Adalat order. Is it enclosed? Idhar lidiya. So the agreement before the
Adalat.
Lok Adalat was that you will pay 1,55,000, which was already paid. You will pay 1,95,000.
Please.
Correct?
Yes.
So you have deposited 155.
Yes, it's for already paid to the.
1,95,000, you gave a check.
Yes.
That has been
That-
dishonored.
Yes, yes.
Dishonored.
Dishonored.
Then further you had agreed that if the above check is dishonored, the award may be passed for double the amount.
Please, my lord.
That is the agreement.
It's there.
Yes.
But in fact.
Now that second check which you gave is dishonored.
Yes,
Adalat.
my lord.
Is it?
Dishonored and I've already paid that amount.
Yavaga.
On 20th March 2024.
20th March,
2024, my lord.
you paid the check on 31/5/21.
No, my lord. 20th March 24, I have paid DD. Through DD, I have paid 1,95,000.
The first time when you paid
First time it was check dated
31/5/21,
31/5/2001.
1,95,000 you paid. When did you pay the next demand draft?
20th March 24, my lord.
20ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಮಾರ್ಚ್
24, please.
2024.
Please, my lord.
All right.
Yes, my lord.
Now, after the dishonor of the check, you filed for recall, is it?
Man, recall that order. The check was given in Adalat. that check bounced, my lord. That's why I filed a recall order.
Hmm.
And my lordship, this court has passed an NBW warrant. After warrant also, he came forward with a check amount. The order is double the amount he has to pay.
So you filed, where is that order sheet?
Uh,
So you filed application for recall in the year 22 itself.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Where is that? When is that order of warrant issued?
My lord, on 30th/1/2024, my lord.
On 30th?
Then he filed a recall application, my lord. Then this court permitted him to give the check amount. Check amount he has given her. The order is for double the amount. They has to pay the balance amount. Considering the seniority of the respondent, man, 79 years old man, and fighting for 15 years for the step.
So this order was passed on 30th January 24.
Yes, my lord.
Please.
All right, when it was served and when he was brought, he was arrested?
He was not arrested. He filed a recall application.
I filed
And
the-
the warrant was issued, but he filed an application to recall, and at that point,
324.
he there was a
Directed
direction
to the
to
petitioner,
pay.
petition, then magistrate sentence. passed.
That is-
Yes. Now you want to recall that order.
No, not recall. He has to pay the balance amount of.
Hmm.
The
As-
order was he has to pay 3
As
lakh.
per that Lok Adalat.
Yes, Adalath.
Yes, what do you say?
My lord, actually, and that, after that also, he has received some 80,000. I will get the document, my lord.
No, it's false,
But
false.
personally, he has received. He has sent a message through my mobile. I'll get the details when he has received. The complaint it's himself has received some amount.
Lord, where before the court, he could have
By
paid
cash.
here.
And so I have not filed the objections. I'll file objections also. I may permitted to file objections.
You want to file objections to what?
These applications, 2 applications they have filed.
Which
Whatever the-
application?
Present applications filed by the, and
What is the application now you have filed?
that is one for,
No, for the recall
Issue
of the
of
order
NBW,
and
one is
issue
for-
warrant, filed an application, warrant was issued, my lord. Warrant is recalled now.
Hmm.
And now.
Another one delay
There is no application pending as such. Only balance amount has to pay, that's all.
No, no, which is the application now pending? All right, recall of, what is that, 1 of 2 of 22?
please, my lord.
That is filed by you.
Please.
Yes, my lord.
For what purpose?
One is for issuing a non-bailable warrant and another one is for
Continuation
delay,
delay to file
continuation of
application.
delay, that's all. my lord.
Dated 27/3/21. What is that order? Now you are seeking recall of that order of the Lok Adalat.
Please,
Because and then there is an order that if it is not paid, double the amount has to be, there's a order in the Lok Adalat.
How can you ask for recall of that order, sir?
Modification, I mean, the balance he has to pay, that's all.
If he has not complied with that Lok Adalat order, you go and execute that order if it is executable,
no, no.
executable order.
Then this execution proceedings before criminal court is not there, no, that's why I filed it, my lord, said it cannot be done. That's why.
What is the next application other than that? Which is the other application? IE1. That is same, CD for recalling. Yes, you want to pay or you want the court to pass an order?
my lord, I will file objections because I will check.
What
up,
objection?
some amount has been paid already 80,000.
That application, even if he is not going to proceed,
Please,
you are bound by the Lok Adalat order.
please.
You have participated, you are represented, you agreed,
Yes,
you
madam.
paid part payment. You have slept over and without bothering for the consequences of a court, you think you can do whatever you want.
Not like that, my lord.
After
because-
warrant is issued, you come running and hand over. You think you can do anything?
No, my lord, not like that. He was totally, nothing is in his hand. He has lost everything.
But I made an
Therefore-
application to the court.
Yes,
You can't do like this.
please, my lord.
It's a contempt.
Yes,
Order is passed. You comply with the order.
yes, my lord. So there, due to that reason only, he could not,
You pay the amount as per your agreement. You have settled the matter before the Lok Adalat.
this,
You pay the amount. You signed that, your party has signed it.
Yes, yes.
this,
What is the balance amount now?
1 lakh 95.
1 lakh?
1 lakh 95. Double the amount.
Now, that 1,95,000 bounds are, if it is dishonored,
Yes, ma'am.
you will get 3,90,000.
Right. Out of this, he has paid 1,95,000 on the last date of hearing.
So that is
Balance
now
to
paid.
nearly 2 lakhs he has to pay.
That is now paid.
Yes, ma'am.
So how you can expect him to pay double the check amount?
The order of the Adalat, ma'am, the under 198 ml and 138 ml, the court has powers to
Not
pass
in-
a
we are
penalty
not
up to the
now-
double the
We are
amount.
not in 138 again. You are not in 138 once again.
Well, like this check is bounced, well, again. the
You are not
cause
in
of action
138
arises.
once again. That 138, which is dishonored, that check of 1,95,000, have you presented it again for initiation of 138 proceedings?
No, this check was issued for the Adalat, ma'am.
All right. Anyway, wherever it was issued,
Yes, ma'am.
it has been dishonored.
This one.
What you are supposed to do?
The order is he has to pay the double the amount. Already ordered.
All right, go
There
on
there
then.
need not be any other further trial for 1,95,000 because
Then you
already the
then
Adalat
you
has
go and
ordered is to pay the double
enforce
the
this.
amount.
Enforce this. It's an enforceable order.
Well, execution proceedings are not there for the trial. This thing, my lord. Only,
Lok
the-
Adalat
only,
order is
only
not
proceed. My
Enforceable.
lord, this Lok Adalat order passed by the High Court, the trial court cannot consider this order. ma'am.
All right, where you have to go? Read the Lok Adalat proceedings. What happens if he doesn't pay?
There is provision.
What is the procedure?
Adalat order. Lok Adalat proceedings.
Just read that act kodima.
Then my last on Monday, I will look into that act, my
Then-
lord, what is
You
proceeding.
should read all that and come. You
My
could
lord, I
not-
tried trying before the trial court said the High Court Lok Adalat order, we cannot interpret.
Sir, you are
Only this court
supposed
has,
to- you are the
I'll
master
check
of your case.
I'll check it up.
You have to read the provision and
Adalat proceedings, what will happen, I'll check.
read that.
Yes,
You want to continue this.
My lord,
You want to pay.
my lord is not having, he's already paid whatever, and more than 80,000 further paid, I will get the document, my lord.
Not doing charity.
No, 80,000 he has received. That complaint himself has received from the, apart from this amount.
All right, you'll face the consequences.
No,
If
that
you-
one, that I will.
If your
bring to
client
the-
thinks he is a smart
Produce the document.
and he's got some very smart advice, he's going to face the music. Take it from me now.
More than 1,95,000, he has paid 80,000.
You have not done charity, sir. His money you have given him back, not on time, after the arrest warrant has been issued to you.
Please, my lord.
Don't try to show your client that you have done some charity to him.
Not like that.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡು ತಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ you are showing some big charitable work
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲ.
after delaying for more than 10 years.
In fact, he has borrowed 1 lakh ಅಷ್ಟೇ sir. ಅದು
15 years.
ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ 3,40,000
All right, you
ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿದೆ.
come prepared.
I've made
What
the
has to be done?
Adalat
The court has to court has to pass order. This court will pass an order.
Yes, sir.
Come prepared to argue the matter.